welcome to Versatile Vegan World. Today I'm sharing tips on how to cook veg spicy chicken soya curry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please enjoy the video. First step is to make the curry paste. So we will need 8 small onions, 13 cloves of garlic, 10 curry leaves, 1 tomato, 12 cashew nuts, and 2-inch ginger. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add the cashew nuts and fry it till it becomes golden brown. Once the cashew nuts is golden brown, you can remove it from the pan. Next, put the chopped onions, garlics, ginger, and curry leaves and mix it. Then, add the coriander leaves for taste and smell. Next, add a half teaspoon of salt. Once cooked, you may take out from the pan. Put the cooked ingredients into the blender. Then add the cashew nuts into the blender and blend it. Next is the ingredients for the curry. So we need 1 big and 4 small onions, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 6 cloves of garlic, 3 cardamom, 1 biryani leaf, 15 curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaf, half tablespoons of turmeric, cumin and coriander powder, 5 tablespoons of chicken curry powder, 5 ladles of oil, and 20 pieces of soya chunks. Next, fry the soya chunks with 5 ladles of oil and remove it once it's golden brown. Remove the extra oil. Leave 1½ ladle of oil. Put the cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and star anise into the pot. Stir till the aroma arises. Next, add onion, garlic, curry leaves, biryani leaf, and stir it. Next, add the coriander leaf for taste. Next, take 400 milliliters of water in a bowl and add ½ tablespoon of turmeric, cumin, coriander, and 5 tablespoons of chicken curry powder and mix well. And pour into the pot along with the mixture. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon of salt and close the lid for 10 minutes to cook well. Now add the fried soya chunks earlier to the gravy. Then, pour 400 milliliters of thick coconut milk and mix well. Then, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and close the lid and let it boil around 7 to 10 minutes. Next, add the coriander leaves and stir it. At last, add the ingredients which was blended earlier and close the lid and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt if needed. Finally, the veg chicken soya curry ready to be eaten with rice, bread, dosai, idli, puri or chapati.